Right guys, all the pipes all done now, so what we're going to do is we're going to top this up with a bit of fluid first. As you can see, it's been peeing down. Right, let's just fill this up. Always like putting loads in. As you can see, it's going down again. Right, what we're going to do, I'm just going to fill this up with some .4 brake fluid, and then this will connect on there. If this is the right connector. If it's not, then I know the Saphira, this come off, this was the one I used for the Saphira, so this might not fit. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's tighten that up and put some brake fluid in that, and then we're gonna undo the nipple on the back, and then get all the air out of that, and then we'll do the other side, and then we'll do the front, both front, and then we're all done. So I'll crack on filling this up now. I just use a bottle with a bit of brake fluid in it, and then that. So what I do is I just go to the 10mm, which is all the way down here on the soaking wet floor because it's raining, but it is what it is. Let's just get down there, do it, it's done. Right, the nipple, goodie, it's got no cover on it, so that's good. Not, it's just there. So what we've got to do is crack this open. Jesus Christ. Ugh, let's get some WD. Put a bit of penetrating fluid on it because it is literally not moving. Oh, I fucking hate this weather. So I'm just going to get a 10mm bloody thingy on it. Ugh, socket. $10mm socket, job done. Easy peasy. No faffing about. Do one rain. Right, that's nice and loose. Trying to get it out and then put it back in. Right, so what we'll do is we will put this up here somewhere just so you can see it. And shove this in there. And then we put the air on, and then we'll see the bubbles come out, and once we see it nice and clear, we quickly pull the air off, and then that one's bled. Right, let's let this down a little bit so there's not too much pressure. Can obviously pump it back up in a minute. Let's try that. Trying to do this one hand and phone is like mission impossible. See all the air bubbles coming out? See, that's literally nothing. Look at all the air bubbles. And then when that starts filling up, which is now, it's all done. Okay, just wait for bubbles to come out. Nothing coming out yet. All done now. I'm not going to show you guys how to do the front because it's basically exactly the same. I'll be doing the passenger side, and then I'll be doing the I'll be doing driver side then passenger side. Obviously, whatever's closest to the ABS pump, or the other way around, I don't know. So anyway, you've seen me do the two rear now. I'm getting wet, so I need to just crack on and get this done. I'm absolutely soaked, so we can take this down and do the front. So, because it's being pressured, because that's being pressurised, we can check the joint up here and make sure there's no leaks. Let's have a look. The joint is there. Look at that, not a single leak, completely bone dry. And check the other side. And I didn't do that one, did we? We've done the front. Right, so what we're doing is underneath. And we check the bit in the middle. What have we done? Make sure there's no leaks whatsoever. And I don't know if that's water or brake fluid. That's water. That looks good. That looks good too. So all good. So that one's good. Alright, so I'm going to do the front now. Move this car out of the way because there's bloody brake fluid everywhere. Let's do the front now. Let's turn it off from there. So, to do the front, probably best. I'll tell you what, I'm going to take this off the axle stands, drop it down, start the car, turn the wheel around, and then get to that side. So I'm going to do that now. Alright guys, I've just checked all the pipes that I've obviously done, all the joins. That's obviously a bit of water from the thing, but that's all good. I've checked all that. I've checked this one down here. I've checked the back pipe. I've checked it all underneath all the joins, put pressure through it as well, and it seems to be spot on. So now I'm going to go and take it for the MOT. Fingers crossed, it's going to pass. All I have got to do is there's a few tyres I need to do, which I'm going to do later on. I just want to get it MOT'd. I'm going to get just a whole set of 4 decent tyres, and window wipers, which I'm just going to basically do when I sell a car. As long as I get it all MOT'd and it's all perfect. Window wipers are only tenner, but I haven't got time to run around at the moment, so I'm just going to leave that. Put them on before the new owner. Obviously I want to service this anyway. So anyway, all done guys. Right guys, it's good news. The car has actually passed. I knew it would anyway, to be honest. So I'll show you the paperwork. And there you go guys, passed. Just tyres, that's it. So wicked. We're going to polish this all up, move it all inside again, and we can sell it. Woohoo! Right, so it's all passed, which is brilliant. Chuffed about that. So now this is all ready just to be polished, cleaned, and all that. Yeah, I've already washed it, but I really want to polish it and get a few scratches out and a bit of grease marks and stuff. It's actually a really nice car to me. Great little car. Yeah, so like I was saying, car's all done now, Mini's all done, so this will be up for sale. I'm not sure what it's going up for yet, because it's obviously a limited edition. It's done 108,000 miles, service history till 80,000. It's got full MOT. It's going to have a full service because I'm going to give it another service. What else? I'm trying to think. Oh, yeah, that's basically it. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.